Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from DOWN4SOUND and I'm super excited about finally getting these JFX line of speakers in stock. But first, don't forget, guys, we're going to be taking the Tahoe to a bunch of different shows this year, but I also want you to tell me what shows you think I should take it to, because we want to be hitting some new shows this year. But some of the tried and true ones that we're going to be going to is the Incriminator Audio Show in North Alabama. We're going to be at that one. Slamology, obviously going to be at that one. Made of Steel, Scraping the Coast. So these are the top 4 that we always hit. Oh, also the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Got to be there for that one. So as you know, with the Down4Sound brand, or you should know, we're pretty bass head heavy. That's our following, that's our niche. But we are starting to dabble in a little bit of the SQ side. We have some people hitting us up and asking for products that are going to have excellent sound quality. They don't so much care about being super loud. So we came up with a couple of things that I think you're going to like a lot. The people that have gotten them so far are raving about them, and for the price points, I don't think you're going to be able to beat what we are offering, almost like with all the other Down4Sound products. So I don't know which one to start off with first. I guess we'll go with the JFX652s. So this is going to be our pretty premium two-way. We'll start off with the 6.5-inch mid woofer here, which I absolutely love the way that it came out. Got the gold push terminals that were tilted to the side for clearance, so we can have better clearance. And also look at the motor structure on the back. How beautiful is that? It has a really nice weight to it for a 6.5, and cool design on the back. Flipping it over, got a very cool design on the cone, a nice surround, pretty fat for a 6.5, but it's more for a 6.5-inch woofer. You know, some of our other 6.5s, they have double ridge or very small surround, so it's different strokes in different categories, I guess you could say. So that's going to be the 6.5. And also here we have a hybrid tweeter. So this is the tweeter that goes along with it, and on the back you will connect with your spade terminals here. And I believe this is a 2-inch tweeter, but the measurements are on the back. Again, I'll tell you again, sound quality is not my forte. The information on these speakers are on the website, and there will be direct links to both of these there, so you can go and read up until your heart is content. You also get a crossover here that is going to make these speakers sound as premium as possible right out of the gate. So we'll look at the box. On the back of the box here, you'll see JFX652S, size 6.5, component speakers, RMS power rating 300 watts per pair, sensitivity 86 dB sold as pair, magnet type is ferrite, frequency range woofer is 40 Hz to 5,000, and then the tweeter is 5,000 to 20,000 usable. So 300 watts RMS. Over here, let's see, 2.2 inches on the width of the tweeter. You got all the mounting depths and everything right here, cutout diameters, and then the same thing for the woofer. And then we also have an adapter plate for the tweeter, so you can mount it. Fits most 3.5-inch locations. Free adapters are included. Alright, so we forgot to get the adapters out, so we'll pull those bad boys out real quick, because a lot of people in their factory locations in the dash, they'll have like a 3.5 or something like that, and if they go with a different setup like these, or in the door, different setup like these, they can't mount them without a lot of fabrication. But we've already done the hard work for you. Look at that. So it'll mount it right in your 3.5-inch location, because we're providing you with the extras, and you're just not going to beat it. So there's the 2 hold down, or the mounting adapters. So that's going to be the JFX652S. Again, 300 watts RMS. If you're looking for an awesome amplifier to power these, if you're more into the SQ side, the JP34AB would be an excellent choice for these speakers. If you're looking. It's going to give it RMS power, but it's going to sound amazing doing it because it's Class AB. And these come in at, okay, I had both of these speakers at the Made of Steel show last weekend, or it's actually been 2 weeks ago now. And we had them on display, and I was asking people, what do you think a set of this quality of components would run for the JFX652s? I'm trying not to get the two confused. That kind of rhymed. Anyway, so everybody was saying 400 to 500 bucks for this set of premium two-way components, and then for the JFX653s, we had a range of $700 to $1,000 for this three-way. But as with everything Down4Sound, I'm pleasantly, that's not the right word. I'm pleased. That's the word, not pleasantly. Pleasantly pleased? I don't know. Anyway, pleased to let you know that this premium set of 6.5-inch components, $249. This has floored people, and that's probably why they're flying off the shelves, because the quality that you're getting for 249 bucks is going to be hard to beat. Let's move on over to our three-way, which you will see. It looks like, well, just glancing at it, people are like, the tweeters are the same, but if you look at it really closely, you'll see that this one's aluminum, a silk hybrid, and then this one over here is an aluminum hybrid, and the back of them are different as well. This one has the wire directly into it. This one does not. Hopefully I didn't break it. Anyway, so there's the tweeters. Again, aluminum hybrid on the tweeter. And then coming into the 3.5-inch mid. You got your little surround there. Nice cone. Aluminum finish. And then the back of your speaker here looking very nice. It's going to pair up very nicely for a three-way, and the same mid woofer to go with this was you have a three-way. Obviously the crossover is going to be bigger because you have more stuff going on. Let me flip this around. So let's see. So it says tweeter, 45 watts RMS, sensitivity 90, frequency range 5,000 to 20,000 usable. Your mid-range is going to be your 3.5, is going to be 50 watts RMS, 88 on the dBs, and then 110 hertz to 5,000. High pass crossover 750, and then your woofer is going to be 4 ohm, 80 watts RMS, 87 on the dB. Frequency range is going to be 57 hertz to 750. So that's why you're going to you're going to have this full range with this three-way, and it's going to sound amazing doing it. The only really difference here is you have the 3-inch or 3.5 inch is what it's called. So you have all the measurements for it, for all the speakers and stuff like that here. 350 watts RMS on this one. You can still use the Down4Sound JP34AB, or so currently we have the breast cancer awareness amp 72AB. The JP72AB is going to be a lot of power, but if you know how to tune it, tone it back a bit, it'll give you more headroom on power, and that would be a better situation in my opinion, instead of like doing a 34AB and trying to push it to its max to get it playing right. Either one would be good, but I think the 72AB would be a premium option to go with these. So the next thing that we come to is pricing. So again, I told you that the people at Made of Steel said $700 to $1,000 for this set right here. I'm pleased to announce to you that it's $399. I'm 100% confident we will sell out of these within a month or two, because the amount of them that are already going out, people are buying 2, 3, 4 sets of these at a time. So that lets you know how popular they are, especially at the price point. It's going to be almost impossible to beat. I think it will be impossible to beat the value that we're bringing you at the price point with the Down4Sound speakers. So anyway, you can check both of these out and more in depth on the website. All you have to do is go to the description of this video and you'll see direct links to both of these, and you can grab yours, you can check them out, and definitely leave a review and let me know what you think of them, because I'm loving them, but obviously I'm going to be a little bit biased. Appreciate you joining me in this video. If you need anything, hit us up, down4soundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.